hands on my line, shit repent. I need me some Jesus in my life. Ain't for but I love me a threesome. I'ma delete this shit, my little secret. Trying to dish me to blow up, I peep it. I can't respond with this new extra people. If I love some rats, hey vloggy vlogs, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Anna Nicole, and thank you for turning down the music. As you can tell by the title, today's video is another at-home type vlog. I don't really know what I'm getting into today, but I'm definitely going to take you guys along with me. So as you can see, I'm already here at the top, but I still have on like my pajama shirt and everything. Here is what I think I am wearing for the first half of today. Lauren and I are going to brunch. She's in the bathroom getting ready. And yeah, so I think I'm wearing this dark brown bodysuit with these shorts, and I think it would be cute, like a cute correlation with those shoes. I don't know, I've never worn these before, and I think it would be really cute in like a picture or something. So yeah, and you know, we're definitely just mainly going out for pictures, but yes, I will be taking you guys along with me, and then we're going to come back here and change because we're taking our nephew out for his late birthday. And I will probably film that too. But yeah, and Courtney will be in this vlog too because she'll be meeting up with us around that time. So yeah, if that's something you're interested in, stay tuned and let's get into the video. Hey vloggy vlog. Hey vloggy vlog. We're in the car now and we're on our way to, where are we going again? Pub and something. Street pub and patio. Street pub and patio. Grill street pub and patio or something like that. That's where we're going, and says we'll be there. How long do we have? Like 30 minutes or something like that. But we're kind of rushing. 38 minutes. We're kind of rushing because we're supposed to. I wanted to already be there, honestly, and be back by 10. Be there by 10:30, 11, and be coming back around 1, and it's like 12:30 now. So we're way behind. But that's okay because who would expect anything less? And we look cute, so I'll give you guys a full OOTD whenever we get where we're going and show you more of the area, which I love these vlogs. I love like just going around and showing you guys where we're going to go take pictures, because that's literally all we do, just take pictures. Honestly, we should be in brochures for Charlotte because we take pictures all around Charlotte and like promote everything. So anyways, but yeah, so that's the only update right now, and I will update you guys whenever there's something interesting happening. Bye. She was vlogging, by the way, if the camera was shaking.
Onto Carson Boulevard, then turn left onto South Mid Street.
I promise you that you'll never meet another person as mentally tough as you in your entire life. And he hasn't.
Okay, so there's the restaurant that we're going to. We just parked. Lauren looks cute. And I look cute. Oh yeah, and there's the stadium, so maybe we can get that in the background. I don't know. But we're crossing. This is so dusty. Hey vloggy vlog, so we were humbled.
Not humbled.
Yeah, no, we had high hopes. Well, I had high hopes for that place. And unfortunately, I'll just have to come back another time. But
a little baby.
yeah, she's just a little too young. You had to be 21, and as soon as he was like, "Can I see your ID?" I was like, well, anyways, we're going to a different place, and the other place looks really cute too. But the view is so gorgeous.
Like, oh yeah, sure. And I'm like, oh.
Honestly, he probably would have believed you were 21 before believing me. So if I had mine, that probably would have been real good. But anyways, the other place is just as cute. We're passing the baseball stadium right now, which is kind of cool. I've never been to Charlotte's baseball stadium, and Lauren's taking pictures, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like. This is what it's looking like. So pretty out here. People are over there playing. So pretty. Yeah, also the sun looks better this way. So when I was vlogging this way, it didn't look that good, but it's okay. And we can cross now. It's pretty. It is so pretty out here. And this is where we're sitting. I got this berry smoothie. Lauren, what did you get?
I got the tropical smoothie.
And it looks so good. Is it good? I'm about to try mine. I was just about to say that. I'm gonna be backlit. Okay, we're on our way back to the car. We have no idea how those pictures turned out because we couldn't really see much, but we'll see whenever we get in the car. I think we at least got a...
Don't take pictures around this thing.
Yeah.
Either at night or in the morning.
Yeah. Midday is not the best day to take photos, but it's okay. I'm sure we got some. Either way, we're going home and we're going to go get the kids so that we can go hang out with them. Hey vloggy vlog, it's another day.
They did not tell me the time.
So it's another day. I forgot to end the vlog yesterday, but we ended up going to Sky Zone. Insert clips here.
I don't remember
You were not because I didn't take it out.
Yeah.
But so we're at Carowinds today for my brother's birthday. As you can see by the roller coasters behind us, I've not been to Carowinds in years, so this should be interesting. Okay, anyways, we're inside, which was kind of chaotic a little bit, but my phone is definitely gonna be dead by the end of this. Oh my gosh, the last time I came here, the last time I came here, I vlogged on the ride. Should I do that?
Yeah.
Should I vlog on the ride?
Yeah.
Wait, can we do that thing where you have no emotion? Oh,
No,
okay, I can try. On the second round. Okay, we're in a completely different line.
Second round.
Yeah, and I didn't vlog the last one. I'm not gonna vlog this one either because we're hanging upside down, but I will vlog one before we leave.
We just took a cute group picture. I'll show you.
Okay.
Hang on. There you go.
There's that click, push together, press the red button, and exit to your right.
That's
Look how
okay.
cute.
Oh, look at, I look so cute with my stars.
We support the stars.
Okay, vlog update. We didn't get to get on another ride. Nope. We waited 2 hours to get on two
No, it was
rides.
literally like 3 hours.
To get on two
The first
rides.
ride was 1.5 hours to go.
Yeah.
And the second one went a lot faster. But it broke my neck, so it wasn't worth it.
Yeah, actually I thought my hair was gonna get stuck under the second ride. Not even gonna lie.
It
But
took me by surprise when we were like this.
now we're leaving and we're gonna go find something to eat, and I'll try to keep you updated because this is just turning into a weekend vlog. Plain weekend vlog.